this is the next day, what I was just saying about the wind. Well, this is the following morning, and we did get a little bit started. I was just fixing to set up my tripod, but it was way too windy. Everything was just blowing everywhere. I got 3 different emergency calls yesterday, and 2 of them there was no way I could get to them. They were total and complete door destructions. But one of them was one of my existing customers that I was at last week, and they said, it's not about the door you fixed last week. Another door is completely ripped off its hinges. So it's at Freddy's Steak Burgers in Catoosa, Oklahoma. I go to so many different towns, sometimes I don't know what town I'm in, but yeah, this one's Freddy's Steak Burgers, I believe is what it's called. And I have eaten their food, and it's pretty good. But when I go there, I'll show you around. All right. All right, I'm pulling into the Casey's here in Adair, Oklahoma. All right, I'm over here with Jennifer, the manager over here at Freddy's. And yeah, since yesterday we had a big, huge wind problem here in Oklahoma, Northeastern Oklahoma. And this is the only call that I went on because I had like 3 calls yesterday.
Oh, fine.
So, not really doing emergency calls anymore. We're going to preferred customers.
Yeah.
So, we're going to get a look at this. I won't do it. So, we're going to like try to brace this up and maybe get inside there and pull that panic device so that nobody can push it. Because if you dog it, then it's going to get pushed, and then people are tempted to walk up and push it. So we can do that. Is that what you want me to do here until we can get it?
Until we get it fixed.
Yeah, my distributor's closed today, so I can't get this.
As long as we can get it for people not using it. I put a
Right.
high top table in front of it, so.
Yeah, so you'll probably want to keep that sign up.
Okay.
And then, okay, so that right up there, I just put this in there a couple of days ago, and it's already, the wind caught it, blew it loose. The screw's not even in there. Okay, so I've got these screws here. It looks like this size right here is what's going to fit it. I've got 1, 2, 3. I've got 4 of those to go right up here. See, that's where the screws ripped out, but they're probably stripped. But if I can get them to hold temporarily, we can get a continuous hinge on this thing, but make it to where it's not so unsafe. I think that might be better. Try to put those up there. Probably would help to disconnect that temporarily, the closer from the door, to be able to get to it a little easier. Alright, so once again, they're fixed up now. The door's real tight when it opens because it sprung that hinge back this way. So what I recommend is a continuous hinge here on the outside, a full surface continuous hinge to go on this door, which I put on that other door that we just repaired. This is all due to the 65, 70 mile per hour winds yesterday all day, and it's pretty windy out here now, but they ought to be safe bet that if somebody accidentally opens this door, it's not gonna fly off the hinge like it did before, because it's reattached right there for now until we can get a continuous hinge for it next week.